Travis Breton here with Rise Realty. Today I'm going to talk about the Supplemental Tax Bill. This is part of a short series I've done over the past couple months of things to expect after close of escrow. So first we'll talk about the Supplemental Tax Bill and if you will receive one post-closing. A new assessment takes place when a property changes owners or has new construction completed. The assessor's office is responsible for reassessing the property. A supplemental assessment is an increase or decrease in a property's assessed value. A supplemental tax bill is a separate bill issued by the county treasurer, tax collector, that reflects the increase or decrease in a property's assessed value. The three most common events that trigger a supplemental tax bill are change of ownership, death of a real property owner, construction, or improvements. The supplemental tax bill will be determined by taking the difference between your new assessed property value and the previous assessed property value. What to expect while in escrow. Any supplemental tax bills issued before or during escrow are paid by the seller. Buyers will see a debit on their statement reflecting the prorated amount they owe for the remainder of the tax year. What to expect after close of escrow. The county assessor will update the tax roll and issue the supplemental tax bill about 8 to 12 months after a triggering event such as a purchase, construction, or death of a real property owner. When is a supplemental tax bill due? The supplemental tax bill is due on the date specified on your supplemental tax bill, and the time periods do not correlate with regular tax year halves. So you will get mailed a supplemental tax bill that is not part of your recurring tax bill. Instead, they are only divided into two separate installments to give the taxpayer time to pay. Keep in mind that supplemental tax bills are on a one-time obligation with two installments, unlike your annual property taxes that will recur. If I receive a supplemental tax bill, will I also receive an annual tax bill? Yes, supplemental tax bills are separate from and in addition to the annual secured property tax bill. They must be paid on time in order to avoid penalties. The first installment of annual property taxes are due November 1st and delinquent after December 10th. The second installment is due February 1st and delinquent after April 10th. If I pay taxes through an impound account, will my supplemental tax bill be sent to my lender? Supplemental tax bills are only mailed to the property owner. You should contact your lender to determine whether it will pay the supplemental tax bill. What is a negative supplemental tax bill? A negative supplemental tax bill is a separate bill that reflects assessment that is lower than the prior assessed value, the senior citizen's transfer of Proposition 13 values, or other downward assessment. If you receive a negative supplemental tax bill, you will also receive a refund check. A negative supplemental bill does not change your responsibility to pay all other property tax bills. However, you can apply your negative supplemental refund to any open bills for the same parcel. How can I appeal the supplemental assessment? Appeals of supplemental assessments must be filed with the Assessment Appeals Board within 60 days of the mailing date shown on the bill. It's important to note, filing an appeal does not suspend the obligation to pay property taxes due. If you choose to appeal your assessment, you must still pay your tax installments on any existing bills in full by the appropriate deadlines. Otherwise, you may incur penalties while the case is in the appeals process. Where can I find some more information? So here are some links. I will also provide these down in the description area of YouTube. Thanks for viewing. If you know anybody looking to buy or sell a home, please contact me. My direct line is 760-470-2752.